Hello, TaskSock designers. As you are well aware, we're going to start our continuous e-learning experience. And for design, I'd like to go ahead and explain to you guys exactly what's going on. So this video is meant for grade 7 and grade 6. Your tasks will mostly consist of completing BrainPops. So if you scroll down to your tasks, you'll see all the things here to do and the due dates. Now, I gave you about 1 BrainPop every 2 days or 3 BrainPops a week. You could do them all at the same time. You may do them over the holiday, however you wish. I would just like that specific one to be done by that due date. Now, here's exactly how that's going to work. If you click on your task, you're going to see this. All right, explains to you how to get 3 points, 2 points, or 1 point, and a link to the video. In all the other ones, the login information will be here. But as for this demonstration, I do not want to put the login online, so you can go ahead and check under the message that this podcast is at, or throughout your other tasks where that will be. So what I will see from my end, on April 6th, I'll come in, and I'll look here at these students, okay? And I will see which one of them have turned in this specific quiz. And then I'll look at it, and I'll grade you as such. As you are working on these BrainPops, you may work on your criteria documents. Grade 7, you're working on criteria A. Grade 6, you're working on criteria B. You may use this information to help you with your criteria if you wish. Okay? Otherwise, you should be working on those documents by yourself, and after the 3 weeks of e-learning, you then will go ahead and turn in that design folder, and then from that point, we'll go ahead and decide what to do for the next design folder. Okay? But in order to watch the videos and take the quizzes, here's what needs to happen. You click on the link here and the video will pop up in the next tab. Once you click the link, you'll be moving on to a page like this. Okay? The video's here, you click play to load it. You can use closed captions in order to understand the content better, so it allows you to read what's on the screen. Then this gear here will let you go original speed or slower speed. Some of them may also let you change the quality, and this would make it full screen. Okay? You may experiment with all of these other things. The only 2 I'm going to make you do for this e-learning experience is watch the movie and take the quiz. So you play, and you may notice that it asks you to log in. Another option is to click login here. Once you do that, it'll ask for your username and password. Use the one that I provided for you in the other tasks or in the manage back message. Once you click log in, you should be good to go to use any BrainPop software that you want. Now, this also means that you can use BrainPop for other explorations. If you want to search something for math, you may search something for math. If you want to search something for English, you may search something for English. If you want to search something for INS, you can search something for INS, etc. So you may use BrainPop at your own whim, but the ones that I have here for your tasks are a requirement, and then you must take the quiz afterwards. Okay? So then here's what's going to happen once you need to take the quiz. When accessing the quiz, you're going to have 2 options. You're going to have review and you're going to have graded. The review one is more interactive, so I'd highly suggest you use the review one. Once you click review, you go through the 10 questions. I'm going to go ahead and skip the 10 questions so I don't give them away, and then I'll show you what happens at the end. Yay! You got Moby to dance. Now, what you need to do once you reach this point, okay? So if you don't have a 10 out of 10, you go back and you take the quiz again until you get 10 out of 10. Okay, I want you to learn from your mistakes, see if you can remember what's going on, and I want you to get a 10 out of 10 on those. Now, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to print your results, okay? If you email them to me, the reason why it's so difficult to do it via email is I'll have some students complete it on March 20th, I'll have some students complete it on April 6th, I'll have some students complete it on March 31st, and it's too hard to check my inbox to check that off, okay? So I do not want you to email it to me. Do not email it to me. Instead, print your results. So then you have to put your name and your class. Once you do that, you click OK. Now, once you have gotten to this point, you want to save this as a PDF. Now, once you reach the print, it'll tell me what day you completed it, your name, your class, and your score, and it'll show me that you got them all right. Now, when you have a destination to print, you usually have printers on here. I want you to choose the one that says Save as PDF. Once you do that, you click Save and you choose where to save that document. Okay? Then once you save that document, you go back into Manage Back. You click this task. Now yours looks different than mine. It'll ask you to upload the document. You upload this wheel and axle document that you saved as a PDF. Okay? If you have any other questions about that, I can go ahead and help you answer those questions. But make sure you print destination to save as PDF. Download the PDF. Now, it depends on whether or not you're using a Mac or a PC where you'll save that. But you save that document like you'd save any other document. Then you go into Manage Back and you submit it through this task. Once you've done that, the task is completed. If you have a 10 out of 10 and you've done it, you get 3 points. If you weren't able to get a 10 out of 10 and you just submit it, I'll give you 2 points, and that'll consider low participation. If no quiz is submitted by this time, you will get 1 point. And then if you get 1 point, we will have to contact your parents. So, if you have any other questions, my most preferred method of contact is email. Okay? So go ahead and email me. You guys know my email. I'll also post it in the message. And if you have any other questions, feel free to let me know. Thank you for taking the time to do that. You can start this now, or you can start it after spring break. It's 100% your choice. Just make sure you keep up on the due dates. Make sure you're getting them done by that time, and you'll be all set to go. I look forward to seeing you guys again soon. Bye!